Hey everyone, what's up? It's me, Yaboy, Maker Kun, and in this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make your own Bluetooth speaker with few parts. But first, here's the intro. Hit that subscribe button. Now let's get started. Things that you need to build your Bluetooth speakers are this Bluetooth speaker module, which you can buy from Amazon. This is not an ad. A 3-ohm decent speaker. I salvaged this from an old music system, but you can buy one if you don't have any speaker lying around. And a power supply, in this case a power bank. This circuit can also be powered by a 3.7 volts lithium-ion cell or battery pack, but I'm gonna use the power bank instead because I don't have any lithium cell right now. Wiring is pretty easy, we just need to add this connector to the speaker and then connect it with the circuit. Now let's power up this circuit with power bank.
Bluetooth mode.
And as you can hear, our Bluetooth speaker is alive. Now let's hook it up with the computer and play some non-copyright music. Now we need to build a decent enclosure for the setup, but powering the setup externally with the power bank is pretty useless and impractical. Let's add internal battery to the setup and then put everything together in the next video. This is it for now. I hope this video was helpful. If yes, then hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you next time. Super peace.